Hello fellow foodies and kitchen lovers. Today we'll be reviewing the Hazel Wood Aluminium Saucepan. Not just any review, but one where we'll test its non-stick capabilities by making a delicious cheese sauce dip. So let's get cooking. First off, let's talk about this beauty. I picked up this 16 centimeter Hazel Wood aluminium saucepan for just 200 Rand at Checkers, but you can also find it at Shoprite. And guys, it's in dirty pink. I mean, look at this color. It's absolutely gorgeous and one of my favorites. It boasts a forged aluminium interior, a classic marble nonstick exterior, and a soft touch handle for easy carrying, lightweight yet durable. This is more than just a saucepan, it's a kitchen essential. Let's get into the recipe. This rich and tangy homemade cheese sauce is super easy to make with real simple ingredients. Here's what you'll need. Firstly, you need your 2 tablespoon butter, 2 tablespoon flour, 1 cup whole milk, 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, and lastly, half teaspoon parsley. Start by adding the butter and flour to your Hazel Wood saucepan. Heat and whisk them together until bubbly and foamy. Cooking this for about 60 seconds will ensure there's no floury taste in your final dip. Next, whisk in the milk and bring it to a simmer. Then stir in the salt and chili powder. This is where the saucepan non-stick feature really shines. No sticking, no burning, just smooth stirring. Once it thickens, remove it from the heat and start stirring in the shredded cheddar. Remember, block cheese works best for that creamy texture. Finally, taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. If it's too thick, just whisk in a bit more milk. And voila, your cheese sauce is ready. These are my favorite Lay's chips. I'm going to be dipping them into the cheese sauce. Cheese sauce tastes creamy and cheesy. It came out better than I expected. I hope that you guys try this at home. So, there you have it, folks. The Hazel Wood aluminium saucepan is not only stunning, but also incredibly functional. I made a cheese sauce dip using the pan, and cooking was a breeze. Be sure to give this recipe a try and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more kitchen adventures. Happy cooking!